Now, before we build this out, make sure you watch the previous video. I have actually explained each and every, the shenanigans of this funnel, of this blueprint right here in this previous video. It's a very important video. So go ahead and watch that first if you haven't already, and then come back to this video and watch it. Now then, let me show you how to build this. First thing, on my WordPress website, I have to create a new page. So you go ahead and select these pages and click add new. I'm just going to name it test YouTube and I'm going to save it as a draft, or maybe I can go ahead and simply publish it. So if I take a look at the page now, there will be nothing. It will be just blank page right here. I'm going to use a program, a funnel builder called Thrive Architect. It is a part of Thrive suite. So I'm going to click on this big green button and I'm not going to write anything on the body here. I just want to click on this button and it will take me to the funnel builder. And you will see these four options. First, you can edit on your normal blog page or blank page with header and footer, or completely blank page, or you can use it the easy way by using pre-built landing page. We're just gonna use it this way. It is the quickest way to create an opt-in page on any landing page. Now, there are several options that you can see to build your website, but I'm just going to use the legacy landing template and find something really simple. I think I like this very simple atomic lead generation page and I'm going to use that. So I selected that and I click apply template. Now the template has loaded and I can edit it. I can edit text, I can resize it and everything. So what I'm going to do is, before we even edit this page, before we even create an opt-in page, we need to have an affiliate offer. For the sake of this example, let's pick the Walker Way training as my affiliate offer. It's a training that teaches people how to get free organic traffic from Facebook. Now, I have to find or create a lead magnet that is related to this product. Let's say this training that I created about getting free Facebook traffic is our lead magnet. I have created this lead magnet by going through this very training, that is the Walker Way that I just showed you. So let's continue building our opt-in page for our lead magnet. First thing, what I'm going to do is, this font is too big, so I'm just going to select it and I'm just going to short it out a little and maybe remove the bold for now. So my lead magnet is a free video. So what I will do is I will just click on this plus icon and drag and drop the text element about this text and another text element. I'm just going to make it black. Apply. I'm going to center it and I'm going to increase the font size and I'm going to make it bold. The alignment is not correct, so I'm going to click on layout position and I'm just going to bring it a little down. That looks pretty good. So my lead magnet talks about a secret LAD strategy about Facebook organic marketing, right? Which should be our lead magnet, which is my training. So I'm going to brainstorm a title and we'll come back. So this is what my title and my sub headline looks like, right? Free video reveals, because it's a free video that I'm giving them as a lead magnet. My secret LAD strategy that's getting sales and commissions without paying a dime, right? And how you can do it too. Beginner friendly, requires no audience, no products, zero tech skills. See, this one is taking away their pain points, that is, it's beginner friendly, requires no audience, no product, all that stuff. And it is also invoking them a curiosity, right? Like, what is an LAD strategy? So that will help them, right? That will help them make a decision to enter their email right in here and click on get it now and go to the bridge page. For now, I don't really like this opt-in page style. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this and I'm going to add in a new lead generation element from here. So I'm going to drag and drop below this text. And there will be several types that you can choose from. I am going to choose a very simple one, which is this one. And I can edit everything in here. I can change the shape of the button. I can change the style and everything, the color and everything. Let's say I want this button a little more rounded. So what I can do is I can select the button here and I can go to borders and corners and increase this. Notice the difference that makes it here, right? Pretty simple. That's perfect. And I can do the same for this one as well, right? and that's perfect. Now if I want, I can actually go ahead and have a little border as well so that people can recognize the space here. So I'll go to the borders and corners again, and I will add a little border right about here. Just 1 pixel, I guess. And done. Yep, much better. So there it is, our opt-in page is ready. Now if you want to remove the name or email, any one form element, you can do that as well, right? You can edit the text right here. So if I go here and click on edit form elements and click on the sign up here, I can just edit it out. And you can do a lot more. I'm not going to demonstrate the entire Thrive Architect here, but you get the point, right? It's pretty simple. One of my criteria is to keep everything very, very simple and to the point. And second thing you need to remember is people should not need to scroll down to enter their emails. We need to make sure they don't have to put any extra effort to enter their details in here. So our opt-in page is complete. What we're going to do is we are just going to save our work right here. And now let's go ahead and build our second element, that is our bridge page. Again, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to pages and I'm going to click on add new to create a new page to build our bridge page. Let's call it bridge page test. And let me publish that. And let me open with again the same process, launch with Thrive Architect. Again, you're going to give all these options, but this time I will just use completely blank page so that you can understand it's very easy to use this funnel builder. Actually, any funnel builder, it's pretty simple to use and you can pretty much copy what I'm doing in your own funnel builder. So I have chose a blank page right here. Again, your bridge page should be very simple and you just need to give them what they have opted in for on your opt-in page and recommend something that is related to the lead magnet you just created or you just gave them, right? And that is our affiliate offer. So first will be my title and that will be text added right here. And there we go. I just finished building my bridge page and it's very, very simple. I'm just giving what they wanted. That is the LAD method, right? That I have mentioned in the opt-in page. And there is the lead magnet. There is the video training that I promised them. And below you can see a little bit about the program that I mentioned inside and the link, the affiliate link. So whenever someone clicks this link, it will go straight to the affiliate offer of Walker Way, and when they purchase it, I make a commission. Click here and you just add your link right in here in the main options, right in here. So this is where your affiliate link will be. Now we have our opt-in page and our bridge page, but they don't work yet. We need to make it like whenever someone opts in, they need to get redirected to the bridge page and simultaneously they need to get saved to our email list. So for that we need the help of our email marketing service. So let's head over to GetResponse because that's what I use. Now we are inside our GetResponse. Now first thing that we need to do is we need to connect the whole GetResponse system with our WordPress website. So what we need to do is we need to actually connect them with API. Don't worry, it's nothing complex. You just need to go to tools in the GetResponse and here you will see the integrations and API. So you go and click on API here. So you need to copy this API code and go to your funnel builder or your Thrive Architect or your Thrive suite, whatever that you're using, and you need to connect it with your API. So here on my WordPress, to connect with my Thrive suite, I am here on my Thrive dashboard and I'm just clicking on the API connections places. So I just need to click on manage connections and inside I have already connected get response. But what you need to do is you just need to have add new connection and select an app, and here you will find get response. I already have a get response configured, but what you need to do is whenever you click that plus icon before the plus icon, add new connection before, it will show you something like this, and select get response in here, and then just copy and paste API code and just click connect, and it will be connected instantly. So now your system, your get response will talk to your website and vice versa. So we have our opt-in page and our bridge page, and we also connected our autoresponder service or email marketing service with both of these so that they talk with each other. Now we actually need to go ahead and create a list on our autoresponder. So we go ahead and go back to get response and click on the contacts button. In here you can see a create list button. You click on create list and just give it a name and then click create. And just like that, your list is created. Now we need to configure our opt-in page with this email list. So what we need to do is we need to click on this opt-in page here, this opt-in box here, and then we need to click on add connection, right? Which we need to choose get response. It will automatically populate our email list, right? If you cannot see where it is, you can just click on refresh and it should repopulate. And here we should find our YouTube test, and there we go, and apply, right? So whenever someone opts in, whenever someone gives you their information and email, it will get stored on your YouTube list that you just create, on your test list that you just created. And now the second thing that we want to do is whenever someone come here and opts in, we need to redirect them to our bridge page. So if you go down here you can see redirect to custom URL. We just need to fetch the URL of our bridge page here, copy, and we just need to enter right here and paste and just save. Now our whole system is working, well, at least half of them, right? Opt-in page is ready, bridge page is ready, and our email list is also ready. Now the next thing that we need to do is we need to add some emails onto our autoresponder so that whenever someone opts in, they get followed up automatically with our preloaded emails. So it's time to add some emails. Now there are two ways you can do this. One is through autoresponders and second is through automation. I'm going to explain them both. So let's start with autoresponders. So when you click autoresponders and here you select your particular email list. So we just created YouTube test right here, right? And just apply, and there should be no emails right here. One thing that you can do is you can start and create autoresponder. So I'm going to click that and shows me a new email creator. No problem. I'm just going to click on that. Now again, linked list, it should be our YouTube test, the list that we just created. And here we are going to write our first email. So this is for your info and this is your subject line. So my lead magnet was about LED methods. So that will be our subject line. And now we are going to go ahead and design our email. It's pretty simple. I just use blank templates. You don't need to use any fancy templates here. Just choose blank template and just choose blank template right here. Here we really don't need logo or this view online section. We are going to turn off that and turn off the show logo as well. And this one is pretty simple as well. So in email, we are just going to use text mostly, right? Text and images. So I'm going to drag and drop text right in this box right here and just start typing. And we hyperlink that. This link should be clickable right now. All right. And that's the basic email that I just wrote. And you need to add some information. Email shouldn't be this short, but you get the idea. And now you click next and you make sure everything is correct. By the way, here on day 0 means immediately at the same time as this just signed up. So if they sign up at Sunday 4 p.m., they get email immediately at Sunday 4 p.m. And then the next email would be 24 hours after, and so on. And then you just go ahead and you can go click save and publish. Now the email is live. So whenever someone goes and enters their email address, they get this email immediately, this welcome email immediately. And it's just the same process. You just go ahead and click on create autoresponder and take me to the new email. Just, add a name for your recognition on day 1, right? This time it's day 1. So that's the second email that they're going to receive. On the next day, choose the subject headline, click on design content, choose blank template, write your email, and save and publish. That's it. And you just repeat this process over like for 7, 8, 10, 14, however many emails that you want to follow up with that person for that particular affiliate offer, for that particular affiliate promotion that you are doing. All right. So that's autoresponders. Now let's take a look at the automation thing. With automation, you can actually be in a lot more control than you are with autoresponders. So if you look at this example, right, whenever someone subscribes to my list, right, they get sent a message. It's the same as autoresponder. But with automation, I can add a whole lot of conditions in here. So I have added a condition whether the first email has opened or not. If yes, then wait for 1 day and send them another email, right? If not, then send them another message after 12 hours, right? And then wait for 12 hours, whether they opened or not, and send the second message. And likewise the third message, and likewise the fourth message, and this keeps going on and on. Right? This is a very simple form of automation that I use. You can do much more complex things. You can do, you can move to separate lists according to your settings, whether they opened or not, and a lot of stuff. As a beginner, you really don't need to do this, but I recommend to do this, or you can just go ahead and use autoresponders as a beginner. Now, if you actually want to build these out super quick, right, set this up in like few hours, maybe 1 or 2 hours max, you can go ahead and check this product called Automated Commission System. This is by Ben Fletcher, one of the most reputed members that actually releases good products. Okay, and you will get also my bonuses where I will cover this part for you. All right, the traffic part. So I am going to show you how to get biased traffic from Facebook and YouTube if you actually get it through my link. Right, when you go ahead and once you purchase it, you will see this button called access affiliate bonuses. So you click on that and you will get your bonuses instantly. All right, you can learn more about it. I will leave the link below. So let's just take a look at the sales page of Automated Commission System. So this is the sales page, and this is really a no bullshit product by Benjamin Fletcher, and you can buy it for $17 as of now. All right, and you can read on and whatever that you want to do. All right, I have actually gone in depth about this product in this video itself, so check that out. Highly recommended. All right, now I will see you in the next video. Cheers.